'Cause you need someone. We all need someone. We all need someone.
Hi everyone, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. So today is another episode of I spent an X amount on clothing websites. And today I have another new one where I've never ever ordered anything from. To be exact, I spent $568.42 on kamis.com. This is a lot. This is a lot. Oh my freaking god. I feel bad now. I feel bad now. And out of all the websites I've tried, on Kamis the shipping is most expensive out of all the other websites. Like on Saful you usually get free shipping if you order for this kind of amount, but on Kamis you still had to pay shipping, which is really disturbing. Okay, the clothes were $400. I spent $400 on the Chinese things and you still don't get me free shipping? What are you thinking? This doesn't work like that. The shipping was $170. Now, this is a lot. But the good thing about all the Saful semi-dress kamis is that you can find coupon codes on the internet really easily. Just type in Saful coupon codes, kamis coupon codes, and you find a lot before you like place your order. Check the coupon codes on the internet because, for example, I saved $70 for just searching for the coupon code. I got 31 pieces in total. Not that bad. But first, you know, okay, this is the funniest thing, you know, I have so many I spent X amount money videos coming. You better be prepared because one day the shipping company called me and they said they have 6 packages for me, 20 kilograms. So I got 20 kilograms of clothes, you know, whatever, from China. This is the first video out of all these that are coming really soon. So be sure to subscribe. But I'll show you real quick what my apartment looks like because this is crazy. I have like all the boxes here. I opened some a little bit already because I needed some clothes for my photo shoot. This is a lot. And I have some in my wardrobe here already. I'm just gonna open my order here in the computer and tell you everything. So the first thing I got is actually an eyeshadow palette, but it was only $5. It's really well packaged. The bands are not very big, but the colors are beautiful. Look at that! Ooh! Look how pigmented. This skirt, it was $13.66. Oh, it really is sweet. Look at that. It doesn't look bad. Oh, seems like I have gained weight because I thought it's too big, but it actually sits well. And this is what it looks like. The pockets are real, although they are really like small. All in all, it's just like really nicely made. Oh, the next thing we have. This was 99 cents. So I can't complain about anything because it was less than $1. The fact that they put this like pearl white material underneath is just horrible. But let's try it on anyways. Okay, so here it is on. I have my Instagram bra underneath because I don't want to show too much. But what I'm gonna do with this kind of bralette, maybe I can use it underneath something. I don't know. More packages coming. So got something more from China. What's this? No, so it's open. Actually no, it's not for this video. Okay, next up I have something I opened up because I really needed new boots. So I got this leather imitation thigh-high boots. These are so flipping good. I like everything about these. I like that they are up on my thighs and they don't fall down, which usually is the problem because, you know, my legs are just like, you know, like this. So this pair doesn't do that. And I love this, and I love that they have this little heel, and it's also covered in the leather material, so it's like all really good. Look how pretty. And they have a zipper from the back. The zipper works also so well, and I was looking something like that for ages, but in Estonia you can never find something for a great price. Look how pretty, like a little badass, but still like a classy lady. Oh yes, I love these. Okay, let's go on with another pair of boots that I really love and that I opened up for a photo shoot. These are these killer babies. These are the most comfortable heeled boots that I've ever worn. They are so lightweight. I recommend these 10 out of 10. Seriously, look how badass they look like. Ow! And they're literally so comfortable. comfortable. And these were only $26. So baby girl, this is a great price. And these boots were $28, so again, super good price. Let's go on. Then I ordered a brush set, which was $7. I ordered a really similar set from shopmisa.com for $5. So I ordered another set just to see if this set is the same. Okay, then I ordered something that I was really excited about. This is a faux fur goat. You know I love faux fur and I love everything furry. I was like, yes bitch, I'm gonna get this. But look at that. It doesn't look that bad on. This fur is just the cheapest faux fur you can ever find. Maybe it's great for a photo shoot actually. You know, on pictures you can edit the things, but in real life, like, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, let's be honest, it doesn't look that bad, and it was only $20. I actually like this outfit. Look at that. Ooh, next up we have boots. Actually nicely packaged, you know, they have all this stuff. Okay, so let's try these on for the first time. The design is a little bit copied of some designer shoes, but this is actually why I bought them, because, you know, no money for that. But these pearls look quite cheap, too cheap. The inside feels nice though. Am I going to fall? Okay. I mean, these are not that comfortable, but nothing that has a heel like that is comfortable, so I'm not mad at it. I should ask more your opinion, because you know the best and you see from the side. Answer in the info button. Ooh, and now some more boots. These look extremely nice. The sole is good for a Chinese website. Definitely needed something like this. Again, really comfortable. Okay, I like these a lot. And the price of these was $25. The cheapest out of them all. And by the way, the links to everything that I show in this video are in the description. Go check out. You can shop for yourself or you can just check out the price. Let's go back to the clothes. Oh, this one, yes, I remember. This is a corset belt and this was $13. I'm really excited about this. To put this over a big like baggy sweater, like a sweater dress or something like that. What? What? Like, what in the world? Like, I can't... I mean... You get the idea, right? I'm definitely just too small for that, without any sweater underneath. Now we have sweatshirt mini dress. Also $13. This material doesn't feel nice at all. It just feels so tacky. The picture of it on the internet was so flipping good. I usually don't fall for the pictures because, you know, I've just ordered so much stuff already that I know. But this picture was so cool and I was like, yes, I'm gonna have a great freaking outfit. It comes with a waist belt as well. I can't get it on. This is so small that I physically can't get it on. How is this supposed to work? Like that? It's almost on. Okay, you know, I get the idea of it. I probably just won't go out in it. My tongue is just so numb. But I probably won't go out in this. It's just a little bit too short for me. I'm an aged girl. I don't have time for these mini skirts. And now we gotta find out how we can get it off. Oh, ow. Okay, next up we have a dress like that. It looks pretty alrighty from the front, but from the back, again, too big. It should be like that, but it's not. Let's try it on with a belt. It's always that little trick. So if the belt doesn't work, I'm not gonna keep it. Well, with the belt it looks quite alrighty, but just keep in mind that the material is not that thick, so wear your thongs, not the regular panties. What we have here... Oops. We have something that you probably have seen all around the internet. I also ordered a pair of jeans that are really cool looking. On the pockets they have this fishnet, and on the knees they also have this fishnet thing. But the jeans themselves, they are not very stretchy, quite big as well. Okay, this top is quite cool. I like this. I needed something like that. Although when you raise your hand it is a bit weird. But the jeans are totally too big for me. They go with the look right now a little bit, but actually in real life they look too baggy. No. This is a no. A little camel toe. Oh my god. This skirt I was so excited about because it looked so pretty. and it is pretty. The material really nice. Oh my god, it's just too big for me, and especially with this top, this is such a look. Oh my flipping god, no, why are you too big? Oh, I got these pants and I thought I'm gonna be very fashionable, but this material is the shittiest thing in this world. Why? And I don't know which way the pants go because no signs. You know, people from the Nordic countries know that when you used to go do skiing, ice skating, whatever, you used to wear these bands that are no safe or like waterproof. These literally feel like the same bands, and this is so flipping weird. I mean, my booty looks great in these, but that's all. Okay guys, I just realized something. I put these pants on again, other way around. Now the outfit looks bump AF, especially with this top and with these extra high heels. I'm gonna show you. I really need a photographer to take some outfit pics in me in this outfit because this is bump AF, okay? I'm just feeling my supermodel vibes. This is fancy AF. I love this outfit, okay? So I'm totally keeping these pants as well. Ooh, this video is so long that I literally had to take a lunch break right now. This is the next piece. Knee length button-up bodycon dress. $13 again. It's a bit too big for me. Again, like, I like the style. I like how it looked on the picture. It's pretty much the same in real life. And the fact that it's slightly too big for me, I think kind of ruins it. But again, I'm so tiny, and this is usually the problem when it comes to these Chinese sites. I ordered the smallest size they have, but it's still too big for me. So I don't know whether all the people complaining that the sizes are really off. Oh, next up I have a wig. I don't have any wigs. I've never had any wigs. A long middle part wavy synthetic wig. It's so weird to even hold the wig. Okay, it comes. Oh, look at those bangs. Oh my god. Is this a good or bad wig? I can't, you know, I don't know anything about wigs, so I don't know. Okay, how do people put wigs on? Do they just make a bun or something? Oh my god, I don't know. Oh, so this is what the wig looks like inside. Okay, so this is literally the best I could do. You know, I have the little baby hair, so I don't know how to cover these up, but this is what I look like blind. Oh my god, I remember when I was going to middle school, people were always telling me like, oh my god, you should try blind. Why don't you dye your hair blind? I'm like, no. And now I look at myself and I'm like, no. Yeah, I like the hair itself. I like that it has a lot of hair. And I like that it has the bangs in it and the color. And yeah, I actually like this wig. And I mean, it was $16. This should be my thumbnail. Let's take it off. Ooh. Next up, we have a blouse that doesn't feel nice at all. You know, it's this really weird chiffon. I don't like the material. I like the gut. I like the little Barbie feels, but you know. Then I ordered some underwear. It's a panties and bralette set, but I'm not gonna show you how it looks on, but it's really sexy and really beautiful. And like lace, nude. So pretty. So I'm gonna leave the link down below and you can check it out yourself, just because I don't want to show too much on YouTube. You know, what you put on the internet stays on the internet, so I'll better not do it. Ooh, then I ordered something really exciting. You know the brush sets that are electronic? I ordered one of these. It comes with a charger, I assume. Ooh, here it is. Wow. It's charged. Okay, I don't want to ruin my makeup. Oh! Look at the speed! Oh my god! Okay, and this is really soft. And then it comes with a sponge applicator, another one that's basically the same. And it also comes with a stand. Okay, this is a really nice thing. And how much was that? It's $15. This is a really good price. Okay, next up we have a really cool skirt. This literally goes under your boobs like that. This is basically how it works. I really like the idea. I really like this. This skirt fits me perfectly. It's all around my body. And this is the weird thing about this Chinese website. You know, I order all the clothes in the same size. Some are big, some are quite good, and some are really good. You kind of never know. But this skirt was $14. I've never seen anything like that in the stores. Then let's come back to shoes again. Girl, I ordered the funniest shoes. They look like that. Look at the heel. Why the heck did I order these? And these were $26. Same price as the boots. So I'm kind of mad at these. And what are these? Like, why? On the picture it doesn't have any dyes like that whatsoever. Okay, they're really comfortable. I think it's because of the weird heel. Looking from up to down, they look kind of fine. But I feel like on the side, they look a bit like, what the fuck is going on? Like, look at that. Okay, let's put on the other one. They're comfortable, I can't lie. Really comfortable. Maybe with the all black outfit, they work out and they look cool. And then I have another pair of shoes. Literally, what are these? Okay, actually, I'm not gonna make a fool of myself. You have the dye here, and again you have the DIY. This is what I hate the most about the Chinese things. Whenever it has a dye, you have to dye it yourself. You receive your baggage and there you have it. Dye it yourself. These things are actually supposed to go around your legs, but I'm too tired to do it. So I'm just gonna try them on without dyeing and let's see. Okay, they look so weird when I haven't dyed them. If I had to order again, I probably wouldn't. Okay, I just realized 7 things are missing and I don't know where they are. I've never had any issues with things not coming. This has never ever happened. Ah, story time. So, as you saw, I was missing 7 things. And I was contacted by Kamis and they told me like 7 things were sold out. Like, okay, sold out, you know, whatever. And they let me choose 7 new items. So I chose 7 new items and they came to Estonia and then the customs. They sent me 1 email that the parcel has arrived and I have to send them some kind of documents. And as I wasn't home that time, like I didn't do it, I kind of forgot. And what they usually do is that they call you first and they call you, I don't know, 1 more time maybe, and send an email, like they keep you updated and after an X amount of days we're gonna return the baggage, blah blah. Anyways, they didn't, so of course I forgot about the baggage. And then one day I was sitting on my bed and I was thinking, okay, but you know, where's this parcel? And then I wrote to the customs and they told me they have sent it back already. So I don't have these items, but luckily I have 1 more item because 6 other items were in 1 parcel but 1 dress came alone, so at least I have this one. So I know it's totally my fault. I've been just used to some other kind of service and you know, I know it's not an excuse. You know, the service has been totally different. You know, I've experienced this before too because I order a lot and usually they just, before they send it back, they call you 1 more time. Like, okay, you send the documents now or we send it back. But this time, nothing. So there we go. I don't have the 6 things, but I have this gorgeous dress. I'm really satisfied with this one. Okay, so here is this dress on. It is really pretty and the quality of this, I'm really satisfied. But it's just a little bit too much space on the back. And the fringe is really fun. Oh my god. I usually don't like these things, but for this dress it works. Okay, let's go back to the last clip I filmed before. I was really excited about this website and I still am, and all the links to everything I got are in the description. 70% of the things were good and 30% were not that good or not good at all. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram for pictures, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below with a website which I would try out next, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!